Hi everyone, welcome back. It's been a while. Let me guide you to my newest Figma plugin called Style Token Documentation Updater. For those that have been following me for a bit, you will probably remember that about 3 years ago I published a Figma library called Style Token Documentation Components. And then I actually had like an automator script and a Figlet script later on to actually get those color and typography documentations automatically updated. Right now, because like I'm in another period where I got laid off again, I got some extra time. So what I did was made the user experience of updating these components much better. So giving you a way to completely automate color and typography documentation in design systems, UI kits, or just a random library without necessarily needing to use Automator and downloading a JSON. And so I posted it as a plugin and it finally got approved after a little bit over a month because I guess everyone's vibe coding plugins left and right now, which means that we have to wait a little bit more because the team at Figma is a bit swamped with a backlog of plugins and widgets to approve. So they're doing their best, and yeah, just hang in there if you have a plugin or waiting. Like so, as I said, this works with style token documentation components, and these are what they actually are. It's like basically Pantone style color chips and typography chips, and then you can see here it has like a fake name. And the only thing you do is you apply your variable or style here on this layer called color style, and the same goes for the typography. And then what you have to do is you have to open up the Figma quick actions, go to the plugins and widgets, find style token documentation components updater, and you just click run the development version, but yours should be like a normal plugin. And there you go. As you've seen, like basically all of the chips and the components that add a caller applied to them got the correct name, got the correct X value, correct RGBA value. Same goes for typography, right? Like so, sample, which is my variable name, then the font family, the size, the line height, the letter spacing, and then if you add a description, it will also pop up here. Yeah, so that's pretty much what this plugin does, and that's pretty much it. Catch you later. Bye bye.